Okay, this Vlogmas video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be me kind of piecing together two incomplete vlogs and making them one thing. So hopefully you enjoy. Alright, so guess what we're doing on this vlog this road. Chat to people, eat some food, and so the whole vibe is like. Alright, so now we're gonna head to Gloria's. Apparently I just what they open up. Oh yeah, see there. But I'm not really right, so we're going to head to Portland. I'm going to say a while ago. Same difference. Okay, I'm going to go fast and so inside there. Look at I really like this whole entire vibe downtown. I can't believe it actually at work. When them said they're going to bring back downtown to life and it's actually hard happening. What? No man, do something man. Just let go the full Davina Bennett mode.
Alright, so 5:45 sunset means I need to start taking my pictures by 5:15. So that gives us about an hour and a half from now.
Yeah, let's take pictures.
You all wanna call and order ahead? Yeah, you can call and order so that it's gonna take about 15 minutes to get there with it. They have fish regime.
Huh?
They got fish regime. And versions of fish.
Well, if make it on camera, then that would be good.
Cool.
It's like good content. Hold on.
Why are we in the graveyard? So this is Billie Jean right here.
Wait, there's something there?
I don't know.
Oh, your friend me.
You're stupid.
I'm not stupid. I'm smart.
Please tell me. Can we go?
No, we have to.
This is Halloween. This is, you know what? This is Halloween in Jamaica. We don't have Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween, so we come to the graveyard. Okay?
I want to say a little. So come walk a little bit now, man. Jesus Christ, if you show the people them.
Come on. This is somebody.
No, this is really creepy though. Jesus.
This is Martha Bray over here.
This is really creepy. I just want to see the big one there up there, so like the. Come now, man. See me all there with Mike and something. Come now, man. Follow me now where I go to the. You ever heard on the bottom to nobody at a graveyard? We're just going. And then I'm going to take a picture of you. In there and get a nice. Watch ya. Why? Bump, cha! Don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. That wasn't cool. That wasn't cool a while ago. Don't do that. That never cool a while ago. That. No, but I'm brave. It's just that me I tell you say that no, but don't. You know what? You don't want, you know. Sure. Why you running? Why you running? Yeah, man, yesterday, Duppy just hold on by your foot. Oh. Oh.
Say hello, you're recording? No, it's a button up top.
Oh. Why am I
And then the
buffing
button here. Say hello.
Oh, hello.
How's your day?
I'm doing okay. So may I record you while you record me?
Why you're doing that?
I look at camera for my big old. And yours better than mine. But anyway, it's good.
Yeah? You ready for the food?
But the glorious Port Royal. And guess what, people? You see, Rochelle, she's smart. She come up here, you know, and go make big order. And then all of a sudden, oh, you know, I left my purse. So guess who? Low-key, me think you plan out this long time, you know. I know said dirty mean is a test. You know, say dirty mean berry. They say, yeah man, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take up the half and pay. Look how I'm just gonna have my food and cut. But that's not what. Well, not wrong if you wash, if you have to wash plates. It'll be good for the vlog.
No, we have a good friend who pays for me.
Or me and you, we just wash and plate them together.
We have a good friend who pays for me.
Me and you gonna wash and plate them together. And look, say when you go into the person, not a card in there, no money not in there, a side share use. And when you learn that, what age did you learn to make sure say you ever get fixed money? How old if you're roadside already, Rush? How old if you make a matter of more? I have to call on-time taxi. On the next episode of A Ray of Hope.
Yo, who wants the syrup there? Syrup in your bag. In my bag? I don't need to have my bag. Your bag there.
For the lighter kill. Hot tool.
Yo, come.
No, you actually buy syrup?
Yeah man, you feel like that?
No, and this rough.
I'm not rough, this smart, but them want juice. You don't have money for juice? Come.
So like a parent.
Oh, the syrup in your bag. I'm a son, them, you know.
You so like a parent.
Yeah. So we have the next water can drink.
So you drink straight for your yard?
I don't know how it goes. You do it.
You couldn't mind just straight for me.
I'm gonna say what you say. I'm sure them all real people straw syrup here. Yeah.
Straw syrup, man.
Yeah.
You can't taste this water, you can't fresh.
You have to have a good syrup to water ratio.
Water, make water pump it out.
Yeah.
See that? So you deal with it, you see me?
So you now mix it.
You don't mix already.
Guys, that's not a toy.
Stop, brother. I cannot do that, my youth.
My you think in that water?
Yeah.
Alright,
No, cream, man.
Iheartmanii expert syrup maker.
I chemistry. Man, come. Oh, hey, mommy.
But you know put your dirty finger in there and mix it around, man. I know that you want to do, you know.
but like, you know what's that now? Boom.
Yeah, man, it's a evaporate.
Rocket science.
Effervescence. It's a effervescence.
Now how does that taste?
Yeah, man, osmosis. Wait.
Yeah, man, it's a diffusion now.
LEC. You see me?
You never remember the rest of the word, the list also.
Yeah, I was wondering why people finish.
One more one, you know. Yo, you know the people that a different patty eating technique this, you know.
I can't say I check the car post.
Him skin out the patty.
I think that.
No.
He's so good.
Hey, dog. The youth is a scientist.
Free log.
Wow.
Hold on now. How we know if this too sweet? Hold on, we shake it up.
No, really, come like some group or one gang, you know, then gang, they might hide out from police and them.
I see that one boat run and buy some food and cook. My mom would be so proud.
Oh, who is the chef? Who is the chef in the group? Oh, are you? Oh, okay.
What is a big
Alright, so thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas video. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe if you are not subscribed. Until the next one, thank you so much. Walk on, genius.
Woman.
A long time in the scene, everything good?
Talk to me there, where you going with?
You still have your work?
No. I know, me not get paid, friend want me from me, but that not stop me from stay. Cause right now, me nah no money. Not a dollar, not a cent. Not a dollar, not a cent. Right now, me window shopping.